It's Tuesday. Inventory is dropping. The summer sales event continues. We got Ram trucks and keys to the Jeeps. Shout out to the Dodge boys. We can't be beat. It's no part, no car, unless you really need a car. And we have plenty cars here on Red Bank. Whether you go brand new or pre-owned, it's owned. We still have the Capital One pre-approval event going on here till fall of 2026. So getting where you fit in. Get it how you live. Get it where you live. True indeed. Don't like my hustle. Man, we all got dreams. And my dreams to do a Super Bowl commercial. If you don't know Jack, visit comeseejack.com. Let's make it happen.
Shout out to the Dodge boys, we can't be beat. We got Ram trucks and keys to the Jeeps. Shout out to the Dodge boys, we can't be beat.